Hey everybody, let's have a wee look at the Daily Stoic for today, the 5th of November. Okay, let's get into it, boppers. Today's reading comes from Cyrysippus, quoted in Diogenes Laertius' Lives of the Eminent Philosophers. And it reads as follows. This is the very thing which makes up the virtue of the happy person and a well-flowing life, when the affairs of life are in every way tuned to the harmony between the individual divine spirit and the will of the director of the universe. This is a good one for me as a recovering alcoholic who got sober through the 12 steps of Alcoholics Anonymous. The second of the 12 steps is where we learn how to let go, that we're not running the show. And it says, we came to believe that a power greater than ourselves could restore us to sanity. That's a powerful step. And many alcoholics resist. I've seen it many times when people hear the word God mentioned in the 12 steps. As He is, they resist. And there is a chapter in this big book of Alcoholics Anonymous, which we in recovery refer to as the Big Book. There's a whole chapter to the agnostic. And it's perfectly feasible to become sober if one is an atheist or an agnostic. The point isn't that you have to believe that there is a God who is directing the universe. The point is simply to come to understand that you're not running the show. And I still fall into that sometimes. If only this, if only that. When really, if we just accept things are as they are, which we spoke about yesterday, and that we are not running the show, the only thing we can control is how we react and how we acknowledge what's happening around us and accept it. It sounds simple, and it is simple, but it's quite hard to do. So it takes daily practice, which is where the 12 steps of AA are so helpful to me, because I get to practice these principles in all my affairs. Thanks for listening. See you tomorrow.